It's Mr. CMB back with another video. Shout out to everybody who's liking, subscribing, and sharing my channel. Look, I want to answer this question, but before I actually do this, CMB the book, it's either out right now or you have the pre-order. Depending on when I drop this video, you can click the link below. It's made for anyone who has financial problems or anyone who doesn't, because I decided to write a book to where it had context, because most books don't have context and they're not crafted to your situation. So I came up with every situation that I've been in and crafted a chapter dedicated toward that for tangible, actionable actions that you could take, which I don't see on the market, and which is why if a lot of these things in books did work, you wouldn't have people in, like, only 1% of people doing well in this country. But anyway, back to my original video. Are scams normal in real estate? You gotta ask yourself this: are scams normal in real life? There is no business, industry, just in life in general, where someone's not gonna try to get over on you. Now, I'm gonna take a little bit of different approach to this. People who try to scam people, or people who try to just do disingenuous, or just want to do bad business, these are people who operate from a scarcity mindset. Even if they have something, they still have a scarcity poverty mindset. What is that? It's a aura of desperation. So what do I mean by aura of desperation? They feel like they need to take because someone's always going to take from them, or they're not going to have for a long period of time. So these are people who either came from poverty, or they were programmed by their parents, or maybe their environment, or maybe even just, survival. They're operating on survival. When you operate off survival, you're operating in a scarcity mindset. So you feel like you need to take, screw people over to be able to come up, and we genuinely just don't have to do that. So this happens in real estate. This happens in videography business. This happens in the music industry. This happens in the entertainment industry. This happens in hospitality. This happens in any business you can think of, just in life in general. Honestly, between relationships, friendships, family. All of these people operate in lack, and that's not nothing I want you to do, is operate in lack. So I just wanted to make this quick video just to let you know the mentality behind these people. So when anybody's desperate or forceful or pushful, you need to be aware of what type of energy they're giving off, because it's usually they're up to no good. But use discernment, educate yourself before you move forward. If this video helps, like, comment, share, subscribe. Mr. CMB, I'm out. Peace.